Hey everybody.
Hey!
How'd it go?
Did you catch anything?
It's a good day.
Well, you've done it again. You come home after a great day of fishing only to realize that something stinks. It's your float suit. And everyone knows. Stop it. It's my goal through this video to help save you from getting looks like these this season. Enjoy. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into today's video. Today I'm going to show you how I like to clean my float suit. So a float suit is a great way to stay safe and to stay warm out on the water, whether you're ice fishing or doing some fishing in cold water or cold weather. Keeps you warm and keeps you safe out there. But the problem with a float suit is that it tends to stink. You get a lot of fish slime, fish poop, just being outside, BO, getting hot and sweaty in the ice hut. Those things stink, man. So I'm going to show you a really easy way that I like to keep my float suit clean as best I can, just in the shower using some dish soap and a scrub brush. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm here in the bathroom, gonna do just a quick rinse with the suit on. I got my bathing suit on. You know, I've done this outside before and it works out pretty well, but hose water is extremely cold, so I do think that in the shower is gonna be a lot better. So I got my suit. It's stinky, it's got a lot of crap on it, so I'm gonna wash it off, show you guys the technique that I use. Of course. Thank you. So I'm just really soaping up the whole suit here, flipping the pockets inside out. Depending on the model of your float suit, you may have more or less pockets. And always take out anything that you have in your pockets when you're going to do this. I didn't. Watch the soap on the floor too. It gets a little slippery. So not every suit has a little fly.
It's in the bucket. What happened?
I swallowed a bubble. Okay. That's about it. Alright, so now that I'm done rinsing my suit, I got the bucket as you can see, so I can just step out of the shower, not going to make a big mess, and I can just take the suit off, leave it in the bucket as I take it outside to start drying. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's float suit video. Hope it helps you keep your float suit smelling a little bit better this winter. If you like this video and want to see more helpful tips like this, make sure you let me know in the comments below or subscribe to my channel. Thanks again so much for watching. Get outside and go fishing.
What in heaven's name have you done? You broke in the speed and the sound of the loneliness. You're out there running just to be on